Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up your Amazon Echo Pop. From unboxing and powering it on to connecting it to Wi-Fi using the Alexa app, we'll cover everything you need to know. Whether it's your first Echo device or you're adding to your smart home, this guide will help you get the most out of Alexa's features. Stay tuned and get your Echo Pop up and running in no time. Inside the Amazon Echo Pop box, you'll find the Echo Pop device itself, a compact, half-sphere-shaped smart speaker. Along with the device, there's a power adapter that connects the Echo Pop to a power source. You'll also receive a quick start guide with instructions on how to set up the device using the Alexa app, so let's start the setup process. First of all, remove the Echo Pop from the packaging and plug it into a power outlet using the included power adapter. After a few moments, the light ring on the device will turn orange. This indicates that it is in setup mode and ready to be connected. If you haven't already installed the Alexa app, download it from either the Google Play Store, for Android devices, or the Apple App Store, for iOS devices. Open the app once installed and sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, you can create one within the app. After signing in, the app will automatically search for nearby devices in setup mode. Since your Echo Pop is in setup mode, indicated by the orange light, it should appear in the app. If it doesn't appear, tap the device's icon in the bottom right corner of the app, then press the button and select Add Device. Choose Amazon Echo from the list and follow the on-screen instructions. Once the app finds your Echo Pop, it will prompt you to connect the device to your home Wi-Fi network. Select your network from the list, and enter your Wi-Fi password. The Echo Pop will take a few moments to connect to the internet. Once connected, the orange light will turn off, and you'll hear a confirmation from Alexa. You can now customize the device to suit your preferences. For example, you can set your location to get local weather updates or choose a default music service like Amazon Music or Spotify. To do this, go to the Devices tab in the app, select your Echo Pop, and explore the settings like Alarms, Language Preferences, or Smart Home Device Control. To ensure the setup was successful, try a simple voice command like Alexa, "What's the weather today?" or Alexa, "Play some music." If Alexa responds, the setup is complete, and your Echo Pop is ready to use. If you have other smart devices like lights, thermostats, or plugs, you can add them to the Alexa app by going to the Devices tab and following the same Add Device process. Alexa will then be able to control these devices with simple voice commands. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.